Final round AI review. Is it legit or a scam? So what is Final Round AI? It is an AI-powered interview preparation and live assistant tool. Its core features include the interview copilot, which listens during video interviews, like your Zoom, Google Meet, and many more. And it also displays real-time responses, prompts, along with some mock interviews. They even have resume optimizations, answers analytics, and questions tailored preparation based on your uploaded resume and job descriptions. So they have a real-time guidance during interviews, a lot of mock interviews and feedback analytics, and they also offer a resume builder and ADS optimization, which comes with a lot of positive user outcomes reported. So here's its concerns though. They have high pricing with limited or unclear features. They also have an extremely limited trial access, and they have customer service and billing issues, which has some mixed AI accuracy. So in conclusion, you might find it useful if you're someone looking for a behavioral or tech interview who wants role-specific practice and on-demand prompts. It's also good for you if you want candidates and looking for structure in interview prep. But you should be cautious if you're a user expecting reliable refunds, because they don't offer those. But overall, Final Round AI is a legitimate and real tool with powerful features, especially around live guidance and mock interviews.